Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hustle Warrior. So recently, Bless released their tokenomics with an overview covering Bless network possibilities, which include the two token system, how two tokens work together, how Bless captures value, staking, and also Bless token allocation. So coming over here to what they said here, they said the future of AI shouldn't belong to a few corporations. It should be powered by the people, with its reward shared accordingly, and Bless makes that possible by actually turning everyday device into a global computer network. Bless enables anyone to contribute to AI infrastructure. So I'm not going to bore you with all this. Then let's come down to this place where they said those who participate don't just help run the system, they earn a share in the future of AI. To coordinate and reward this people-powered movement, Bless uses a two-token system, which is actually the time and the Bless. And the time is used to recognize contribution to the network. Coming over here to my Bless dashboard here, you can see here that the total time I've spent on this is shown on this particular place, and you can see here that the total network participation is about 3 days, 18 hours and 36 minutes, with a total time which will actually be showing here. So the total time that was actually allocated on each epoch is about 100 million, which we get burnt once this epoch is done and get redeemed. So the 100 million will be distributed to each and every user who participated in this network, and the remaining will actually get burnt. Then let's go back now. This Twitter part here, you can see that the Bless here is the core token representing ownership, governance, and long-term value, meaning that Bless still maintains its token by maintaining this. Then come over to the overview which they made here. You can see the token. You can see that the time is known as the reward token, and also the Bless is known as the protocol token, which will actually be distributed to every user who participated and shared their time in mining this airdrop. Then coming over now to the supply model, you can see capped at 100 million per each epoch, which I told you earlier that each epoch, everything allocated on each epoch is about 100 million, and once this epoch is done and redeemed, the remaining will actually be burnt, and those who actually contributed their time will be rewarded from the 100 million, while the remaining will get burnt. You can see here that they have about 10 billion, which is actually feast. So 10 billion Bless is actually feast, which is the protocol token. Then come over to the utility part. They said, and by contributing to the shared computer bond when redeemed. Then come over here to the Bless part here, where they said used for governance, staking, and capturing value via paybacks. Then come back to the simple unit here. Users earn time by contributing, and the second part here, they said at the end of an epoch, users can convert time to Bless immediately or with lockups. Means that the total time which you actually spend on mining this network will actually be converted to the main Bless token, which is the protocol token after it, and the remaining will get burnt. App pays fiat for compute, meaning that every developer who participated on this developing their app develops this app, and they get to pay you through fiat. Then come over to this particular place where the Bless uses 90% of that revenue to buy back and burn Bless. Users can stake Bless to earn more Bless, which is for those who will be interested in staking Bless to earn more Bless. You can go ahead to stake your Bless token to actually earn more Bless. And remember recently when the Grass airdrop actually brought out the staking ecosystem, where you have the opportunity to stake and also earn more rewards. So this is the same thing the Bless network is actually repeating here. Then coming over here to the time measuring contribution, you can see our testnet represents epoch 0. For every epoch, the Bless network uses 100 million time token to reward meaningful participation, including running Bless node, contributing to the ecosystem, that is producing educational content, building innovation application and service that leverages the shared computer. Then you can see here that once you get to mine this, now your time will actually be converted to Bless, or you can go ahead to get to stake it, and they will use their hand actually to release it to Bless also, and you will get rewarded for all your time and effort on this network. Then coming over now to how Bless captures value, the Bless token purpose is twofold: to reward dedicated participants and support the key functions of the network at the protocol level. Its mechanic ensures that token value is aligned with the growth of the overall network, discouraging speculation and incentivizing the reliable contribution. Then come over to how value flows to Bless. Developers deploy app and service on Bless, paying in fiat. meaning that all the developers who participated on this deploys their app, which actually pays in fiat, and the protocol uses about 90% of the revenue to buy bulk and bomb bless on a periodic basis. The remaining 10% goes to the treasury, funding long-term development. You can see here the breakdown on everything here, so you can go ahead to get to read this to get to know more about it. Then coming over to the staking part here, you can see on mainnet, users will be able to stake their bless to earn more bless. Staking is structured to reward long-term alignment, encourage responsible node running, and ensure the service run smoothly for end users. How much you can stake will determine how much work you can take on this. That means tying economic interest to compute responsibility. If a node runner behave maliciously, their stake could get slashed. So meaning that if Bless actually find out any unusual activity on your account, your staking will get slashed. So make sure you are not a victim of this and get to avoid this so your token won't be slashed. The staking system is still developing and will go live in phase after the launch of the Bless mainnet. Then come over now to the supply and distribution, which actually allocated a total of 10 billion, which is actually fixed, and the total time allocated for each epoch is about 100 million per epoch, burnt on redemption for each epoch. Then let's come over to the Bless token allocation here to say how much every community is being allocated. So you can see that the investors, they are being allocated with 17.5, and the team is being allocated with about 15.0%, advisor about 3.0%, the ecosystem and foundation has about 19.5%, and the airdrop has about 10.0%. Community incentive is released a whooping sum of 35.0%. So this is the token allocation here. You can see here that the community incentive has about larger amount of the community allocation. Then let's come down to this particular part here. You can see the Bless supply is fixed, while the supply of time is seasonal, issued and destroyed. The epoch system is designed to reward contributors for consistent long-term participation. So make sure you go ahead, get your node running so you won't miss this. And you can go over now to your free time to get to read about the perimeter and everything. The token will be used to support the protocol parameters, treasury usage, reward setting, and stake-based workload. So make sure you go ahead to get to read this and also to contribute more of your time in mining this airdrop, because your reward will be based on the time you spend on this token and also the amount of bless which was actually accumulated, which will be converted from the time which you spent on this particular token. Then coming over here to my dashboard now, for most of you who will be getting the active node here, so you are actually online, but if you are getting to see yours offline, you can go ahead and come over to the restart extension here and get to restart your extension to get a smooth running node, and also come over to the app here to also check if this is showing online. If it is not showing, you can come over and click this three dotted line, come over now to the disconnect part, check if this is not disconnected. If it's disconnected, you can go ahead and toggle it on, and then go ahead to click here to open your dashboard to make sure that your node is active. So this is all about the Bless network, and if you are coming by my channel for the first time, or this is the first time of you coming across my video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get all my updates whenever I drop them. And if you have not joined our Telegram community, make sure you join our Telegram community, as I'll be dropping weekly and potential airdrops and also opportunities for you to make money online. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter, where I'll be dropping some potential airdrops which you will start to mine and get to position yourself for a potential reward. So this is all about the Bless and all you need to do. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.